I believe the two most important insurances for a single income household are life insurance and disability insurance. Today I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of disability insurance and why it's essential for most people. Alright, so what is disability insurance? Disability is protecting your income in the case that you get a disability. Now there's short-term and long-term. Within long-term, there is own OC and just normal. So the difference is own occupation is something that you are qualified to do. Let's say me, for example. I have a finance degree. I'm a financial advisor for a living. I've gone to school and spent years in the industry working at my craft. If I were to get in an accident and lose the ability to do financial advisory work, let's talk about how the two disability insurances would cover that. So if I had own occupation disability insurance and I was unable to do a job that I was educated and trained to do, then they would pay out what is due to me, whatever the policy stated. Usually it's about 60% of your annual income. So if I lost my mind or my ability to do what I needed to do for financial advising work, then and had own occupation disability insurance, I would get a full payout. Now in that same scenario, and I didn't have own occupation disability insurance, but I could go work as a greeter at Walmart or serve fast food or whatnot, and I didn't have that own occupation disability insurance, they would say, you're not disabled, you're able to work. Now your might not be completely what it used to be, and you're not able to do finance stuff, but you're still able to work, so we're not going to pay out your coverage. Alright, so that's the difference. Obviously you're going to pay a premium for own occupation disability insurance. If you're buying disability insurance through your through your employer, for the most part it's going to be own occupation. That's long term. Long term is what I'm a big fan of. I think single income households really need it. For the single adult in their 40s and 50s, you've got your income is your source to meet your day-to-day living expenses. You've got to protect that. Short-term disability. This is one where once you've got an emergency fund established, I'd like to see you get rid of. Short-term disability covers in case for a short period of time you're unable to do your job. Now you can save some money with this by not having it and just kind of self-covering, self-insuring that scenario by having a good fully funded emergency fund, but short-term disability is something that is important and that's not going to hurt you to have. So those are the key differences between short and long-term disability. If possible, get long-term disability insurance for your own occupation through your employer. Usually the rates are a lot better there. Disability insurance is important. Let me know if you have any questions about it. PolicyGenius.com is something that I've talked about for life insurance. They're another resource to get some quotes for disability insurance, and I'd send you there if you are looking to get a policy. Thanks for watching.